Hey, people of the world! Welcome back to my channel. I am Demi and you're watching a Demi art tutorial. So, before we start this video, please, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel. It's free. And click the red subscribe button and also click the bell to get notified when I post new videos. Today's video is a tutorial on how to draw a flower. So basically we're going to need a paper, a pencil and an eraser. If you have a pen, you can work with that also. So we're going to start by drawing a small circle. Our next step will be to draw a sphere slightly above the base circle. After doing that, connect the base and the sphere with a stem by drawing two vertical lines that are thinner than the ball. Then the next step will be to add two small nodes to each side. Draw one node slightly higher than the other to give a natural feel like the way I'm doing now. And the next we'll add stems to the node. We'll add stems to the nodes, keeping them thin, just like the first stem. Next step, we'll draw a curving line that goes slightly up and towards the right. This will be used to create our petal. I hope you guys are following along. Next will be to do the same thing at the left part of the drawing. Make the two curved lines similar in length, but not exactly the same in shape. You can see how my right curve comes slightly higher than my left. Next step, we'll add a curved line moving down the page. Next we're going to start constructing the petals. So we're going to start by adding two small lines to the sides of the base. Make sure these lines are short and are angled towards the sides. Next, add curving lines that goes from the small line on the left, like this, towards the center line of the front facing petal. Next would be to repeat what we did on the left side of the petal to the right side. Now we'll draw a big right petal. We'll build the petal to the right. Notice how towards the base of this line it connects to the petal we just finished. Pay attention to this overlap because it will give the drawing more dimension. Now we'll repeat the same process we did with the right petal. This line also connects to the central petal and its line connects towards the small lines we drew earlier. So after that, we'll start by drawing a curved line that starts pretty far up the left petal. So I'm going to complete this. And the next will be to add two thin lines in the middle of this petal to help describe its form. Now we'll start adding the petal that is to the left. So we'll add a line that droops downwards, starting at the left petal. And add a center line to the petal. Make sure not to draw it too far down. Next, I'll create my right petal. I'll also draw a line in. So basically this drawing can be challenging to do, so practice this petal shape in your sketchbook a few times until you get a hang of it. Now for our center line, now to add a stem, so I'll draw two vertical lines that go underneath the central petal. So now I'll draw a leaf. I'll draw in a leaf. So please feel free to design the leaf whichever way you prefer. You have drawn in quite a few petals and you have a good sense of how to construct a leaf shape. So you can draw your leaf on the left or on the right, any shape you want, smaller, bigger. And finally, the next step we're going to shade. So I'll add lines to the left and right petals close to the base. I'll draw lines moving outwards from the center and following the form of the petal. So I'll continue shading. So I'll add my shading. I'll continue shading until I'm fully satisfied. So make sure to add shading where the stem connects to the flower to show that it's going underneath. So basically this is the end of this video. So I would like to see your drawings. So send them in. You can post your picture and tag me on Instagram. I am _Demmy. Also follow me on Instagram at _Demmy. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Make sure to leave your comments in the comment section. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.